I'm Gecko Genoa, the nature man, and for the past 14 days, I've been tracking a wallaby through this here jungle. About 4 days ago, I almost caught it. Lost my boot in the chase. Also lost its trail. About 3 hours ago, I picked it back up. Tracked it to just around this bush. I can smell its musk and fresh droppings. Tonight, we dine on wallaby. Oh. Oh. Damn it! The boot! I tracked the boot! My boot? I tracked my... It's not so bad. I mean, track my boot. At least I don't have to walk around with one shoe off anymore. It's just... That's not so bad. Yeah. I just... Oh! In the boot! Literally! Rocco in my boot! Bullshit! Wallaby!
Beefy.
Hi, I'm Gecko Genoa. If you liked our video, click on the like button. Also subscribe for more videos or click on the links. Right there. Those videos. Click on them. I'm Gecko Genoa.